Hello everyone, welcome to the James Marketing channel. In clip today I will present to everyone a software that helps us manage large number of accounts and do marketing on the Instagram platform. This is the main interface of the software, and it's a lot features like account management, manage messages, interactive script. We're going to interact automatically up here. Viral marketing for us to post. Setting follow potential customer profile. Next we need to update information. And today I want to introduce you to everyone. That's the data scan. So we have the main parts that are scans. Follow account. Scan account by keywords, scan account article. Scan posts by keywords. And scan account details. Scan article details and scan details those comments. So how do we use this part? First we can scan out the posts by keywords. For example, about. I'll give you a closer example of crypto. Then we'll select the scanning account. And we can choose to set up even more. The basic configuration. Here, people, look at this. There's this basic configuration. How many scans? By how many keywords? Press now. I press start. The software scans itself. There are a lot of articles like that. I am setting up 20 to 25 posts and it will scan out about 48 articles. You can scan as much as you want. Next, it will have some parts. Who post this article, links, etc. I will also copy the link here. How many comments does it have? How many likes, how many comments? Here, take this many comments. Go to Insta to see. Lots of comments here. Then I can scan out people are commenting here. Into this part. Scan the comment accounts. I will now copy the links. This article is in. Copy this article link. This post has a lot of comments. This is 3,400 comments. I will copy. Then I scan out the comments in it. Save it here. So now I'm scanning 40 to 100 accounts. Now click the scan. See that now? Scan out a lot of accounts. And these are the people. That's what we call customers. Now if I have a coin project, I can directly approach these people. With the part is the viral marketing part. Reach out and interact with these people. And the next, here we can scan out the followers. Follower or follow an account. Some cool, for example, Bitcoin. There is this KOL here. Scan directly the followers of this channel. Those who are interested in investing. For example, copy. Scan this. I'm going to scan now. That's what you see. I have to scan hundreds of people. Then, we can go to automatic interaction on this account later. In the viral marketing section, I'll show you in the following clips. As for scanning, the software has a lot of scanning features. Everyone wants a demo. You can contact me directly via Telegram or WhatsApp everyone. Goodbye everyone.